We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. This one is in River Rock Gray Denim. This bike is basically new. It only has 4 miles on it. Has the 114 cubic inch engine, rider and passenger floorboards, locking saddlebags and top case with the luggage rack on top as well. Charging port for the passenger. We also have speakers on the passenger backrest and up front on the dash. Huge infotainment center. It's got the maps abilities, music, radio, controls on the handlebars. This bike has everything. And again, we are only at 4 miles. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out.